Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new off-campus recruitment from the Kumaran Systems company. Okay, so we will check what is the eligibility criteria, how to apply for this position. Okay, so this position is mainly for 2019 2019 and 2020 off-campus freshers recruitment drive. Okay, so the Kumaran System Private Limited, which is hiring for full-time position batch 2019 and 2020, which is the off-campus fresher recruitment drive. Job location is Chennai, India, and they have posted this job opportunity on 5th of June. Okay, so we will check details. They have provided some company information here. If you are interested, please read at least once. Job description: we are currently looking for young engineering graduate and master degree holders with a craving to start their IT career. Okay, engineer graduate as well as master degree holders candidate can also apply for this position. Interested and qualified candidate can directly apply to our career website or to apply this job posting. You need to click here to apply for this position. I have already opened this link in the next window, but we will check later. Before that, we will check other criteria. Position is trainee programmer. Compensation CTC salary they will provide you 3 lakh per annum with benefits. Okay, required details: BTech CSIT electronics and MCA candidate with 2019 and 2020 pass out must. Okay, BTech CSIT candidate electronics and MCA 2019 and 2020 pass out candidate can apply for this off campus drive. Okay, must have 60% and above marks in class 10th 12th and graduation, and your master degree also. Priority will be given to the candidate who has undergone IT training courses, done or real-time projects in any programming language like Java or .NET. You can note down this point. Please highlight this point. I am basically highlighting this point for your purpose, because they will give priority to those candidates who have done training, suppose like certification completed on Java or .NET. That will be a plus point. If you want to complete the training, then please use Geeks for Geeks or Java T Point or Free Code Camp websites. I'm just suggesting you for your reference. Okay, so those candidates will get like high chances to get selected in this off-campus drive. Okay, then correspondence and distance education based qualification will not be considered. Education gap is not allowed for this off campus drive. No standing arrears or back papers as on date. Okay, so if you are having backlog ATKT, then they have mentioned that those candidates are not eligible. Only suitable candidates who match the above criteria will be invited for the online test. Online test link will be shared to the shortlisted applicants to take the assessment. Okay, it will be done via through mail. They will send you online test invitation mail on your mail ID. Terms and conditions: the shortlisted candidate should join in a week time from the confirmation of selection. Okay, suppose if you get selected today, then after 1 week your joining will be there. You need to join company after 1 week. Candidate should sign the service agreement with the company for the period of 3 years with the damage clause of 2 lakhs. Okay, then requirement: minimum expectation, you should be strong in basic programming language, any language, C, C++, Java, C Sharp, .NET. Okay, but please before taking this interview, please do OOPS concept, that is object oriented programming concept. Every interviewer will ask you in detail. Practically you need to give answer on the object oriented programming concept, that is abstraction, encapsulation. Most of you, almost all students know about this, so I'm just suggesting you the tip. Okay, then you should have good in communication, interested to learn new technologies, no standing arrears up to the current semester, willing to sign bond with the company for 2 years, 2 years period. Okay, then selection process will be online test, which will be for 60 minutes, then programming test followed by technical interview. Once you crack online test, then there will be programming test, and after that technical interview, and then manager round will be there, which is like just like HR round. Okay, so to apply for this off campus drive, what you need to do, you either you click here, I will provide these both links in the description box. Either click here or directly click here. I will provide this link in the description box as well. Register with Kumaran System Private Limited. You need to upload your resume, import your resume and add here, then create your credential, enter your mail ID, password, re-enter your password, then give your basic information, first name, select accordingly as per your criteria, then then select write last name, mobile number, then address information, then write professional details, add educational details, experience details, as this is mainly for fresher candidates, so no need to add any experience details. Then but you should fit in the eligibility criteria to get the online test invitation. Okay, then again attach your resume here, then enter this captcha. If you can't see properly, then refresh here, then you will get new one and enter this captcha here. Okay, and then click on register and apply for this position of campus drive. So please guys, please 2019 and 2020 batch candidate, please apply for this position. You will get both links. I will provide this link as well as this link in the description box below, so don't miss this chance. Please apply for this position. Share this off campus drive with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply for this position. And thank you so much for watching this video.